guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of be random, not something that I post often, but I like to post more of. So this is going to be a clean and decorate with me, but we just got home from the grocery store. It's Labor Day weekend, it's Monday, and so we are just getting ready for the week. I have one kid's first day of school tomorrow, and then my other two have been in school all week last week. But I'm gonna show you what we got from the grocery store, and then we're gonna do some cleaning and some decorating, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, you might hear Isaac in the background over there. He is putting dog food in the dog bowl. But let me show you what we got. I had to get a new mop, so I got a new mop. Saran wrap, because we are going to be making some breakfast sandwiches and we're gonna freeze them. So I got some turkey. This is so good. It's the smoked turkey breast with sun-dried tomato. It's the best. We're gonna make some cookies for the school lunches. Isaac wanted this marmalade, disgusting, but he wants to try it. The kids take hydro flasks to school, and they wanted these to put in them instead of these like the little kids like. We got some cookies for lunches, some peaches, some carrots, a pork loin roast, which we're gonna make this week, some grapes, some cream of chicken soup. I don't like to make meals like this, but we are gonna this week because my kids actually like it and will eat it. Veggie straws, some chicken nuggets for after school. Okay, time out, you can't do that. Some cheese, some bread. This is for our breakfast sandwiches. Some chicken thighs to go with our, we're gonna make stuffing and the chicken with the cream of chicken soup. Like I said, I don't like to make that, but my kids love it. So some strawberries and some potatoes and some milk and a huge mess. And let me just show you, my house is a disgusting mess, literally. We've got stuff everywhere, but we're gonna clean it. So it'll be fun. Keep watching. Okay, I just start off by cleaning off all the counters. I love to use the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. This is the new acorn scent. Oh, I love the pumpkin, but I think I love this way more. It is the perfect fall scent. I picked mine up at Target. I'll have a link down below if you want to check it out. I didn't have a ton of dishes because actually my kids do the dishes, and so they were already done this morning. So I just had a few that I put in the dishwasher. And then you'll see here that I just start scrubbing out the sink, because with my kids doing the dishes, sometimes they don't get the sink very well. So I like to go back and give it a good scrub. Okay, over here I'm just going to finish putting things away and wiping things down, just like anybody would do in their kitchen. I'm not sure that I like the angles of these clean with me's, but hey, we're gonna go with it. I'm not doing a deep clean here in the kitchen today because last weekend we deep cleaned everything, so I just needed to wipe things down and just tidy up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to light a candle here. That is a Yankee candle. It's just called the pumpkin pie scent or something like that. It smells amazing. A store was going out of business here and they had them on clearance, so I picked one up. I don't normally buy them, but That smells good. And then I'm going to clean off my table here. This is just where I kind of do all my mom things that I needed to put my stuff away. Okay, I'm going to take care of sweeping and mopping the floors right now. The floors in this house are disgusting. They never look clean. You can see there's a couple dark spots. That's because the linoleum is peeling up, but we do not own this house, and hopefully one day we will be moving. But until then, we just like to take care of what we have, and that's what I'm gonna do now. I just bought this cedar mop at Walmart today, and because I needed a new one, and it was the only one that I thought that I would like. It was okay. It's not my favorite. So if you have any good mop recommendations, leave them in the comments below, because I need a good one. I keep just buying cheap ones and they just don't work that great. So let me know if you have a good one. Okay, now the part you all have been waiting for, probably. I'm gonna decorate this little corner in my kitchen. The little wooden thing is from Target's Hearth and Hand. If they still have them, I'll have them linked below. The little white tray is also from the Target Dollar Spot, along with the wreath and the pumpkin. The wreath was just a couple months ago, but the pumpkin was last year. And then this wheat I just picked up at TJ Maxx, so you might still find it, but I love it. I wish I would have gotten another one. I just love how this little corner turned out. In the kitchen, I like to do things that are simple because we have a very small kitchen and we use every space, and so I don't like to clutter it up with things that are unnecessary or that are going to get broken. Just like with the kitchen counters, I like to keep the table simple because this is where we do eat every day. The kids do their homework here, and so whatever is on here has to be able to be moved. And so it's just simple. Just a cute cake stand with a wreath and a white pumpkin, and I'm calling it good. However, this may change, but for right now, it is what it is, and I like it. And lastly, I just like to put a little hand towel on my stove. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't like the best decorate with me or clean with me, but I will get better, I hope. And if you have any questions or anything I will try to link everything in the description box if you want to check there. If I don't, you can ask me in the comments below. I'm happy to answer you. And I hope you will give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, guys.